Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto, another update with Bitcoin. And we are going to see the next targets for the short and for the next few days. Before we begin, I hope that you're having a fantastic day and do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Thank you for watching. Let's go back right now to the BTC chart. Right here, we could not close above the 20.9k again. Okay, this is not good, right? The fact that we are having huge sell pressures on the 20.9k is not good. This is a major resistance level that we want to break on the daily frame in order to get even higher. And this is why we are going now on today down. Okay, let's go a little bit to the lower time frames because we have already talked about the 20.9k on the daily frame, but let's go right now. So what is Bitcoin having right now? It is bouncing a little bit from a support level at the 20k. What are the next support levels? 19.5 and 19.1 to 19k. What is going to happen actually is that let's assume that we are finding a little bit of resistance right now, or we go on the 1 hour frame, for example, and we are not able to get past above the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA, because look at that right here on this uptrend, we went down from the 50-day MA and we had a buying order, right? Whenever we moved to the 20-day MA, the 50-day MA, we had a buying pressure going on and we could go even higher. However, right now, this isn't the case. We are more on a downtrend. We didn't have a buying opportunity here, and therefore we can say in the lower time frames, we have a correction going on and the price is not as good as it was here on the uptrend, and we need to be careful for this exact reason. First of all, what we need to do on the 1 hour frame is to get past above the 20-day and the 50-day MA, which sits at around 20.6 to 20.5k. If we do that, then yes, we are having a good momentum to go even higher. 20k is for now our support level. If we can cross it below again or close below, even on the 1 hour frame, there is a very high chance that Bitcoin is going down to 19.5k. So this is why you need to be careful. Okay, the fact right now that we are in green, it doesn't mean that we are going all the way up. But anyway, the breakout right here, especially in the lower time frames, will come as soon as we get past above the 20.6k. Let me have a price label on right here so you can check it out. Okay, so 20.6k, 20k from now is the support level that we are holding. Going down will get us to the 19.5k, in which we might be finding our next buying pressure just like we had back here. Okay, small buying pressure though, and we are going to see about the next support levels. At the meantime, I'm thinking about maybe Bitcoin is going to range a little bit sideways between the 17.7k and the 21.7k, maybe ranging a little bit sideways, and then we will see how it goes. Many, of course, of the altcoins are in an extreme oversold situation on the weekly frame, not on the daily frame so much, but on the weekly frame they are. And of course, you will see something on the daily frame. If we go to the risk metrics, you will see that Bitcoin is not having an overbought on the daily stochastic RSI. It is not having an oversold, of course, an overbought actually on the RSI, that's for sure. Okay, we are just checking the stochastic RSI, but at the end of the day, we are not seeing something like a bullish RSI divergence. We didn't have here a bullish RSI divergence, and therefore we can even drop more. At this time, price analysis matters more and the technical analysis matters less. Okay, when you are especially on a downtrend or you're going sideways right here, you have to check mostly the price targets. 20.5k as a major resistance level for now, 41 hour frame as well. We want to see if Bitcoin is capable of going all the way up higher right here and finding rejection, or it will reject lower and then it goes further down. Really curious to see that. On the 1 hour frame, of course, we are having an extreme oversold situation. I want to see how the buying pressure will be right now. If we have a good buying pressure, then I think that we could be finding a bottom for the short term, and therefore we go even higher, potentially around 20.6, 20.7, 21k around there. However, losing this support level, even on the 1 hour frame closing below, will get us to the 19.5k. Okay, on the 4 hour frame as well, you can see that we have a little bit of a lower resistance level, the 20-day exponential moving average, which sits at around 20.4 to 20.5k as well. Okay, so this whole rectangle right here, it is a huge resistance level area that you need to be paying attention to. Okay, 20.4, 20.5, around there. It is huge resistance level for the next few hours. If we are capable of going above here and even higher, then BTC could be having this as a support line and eventually go all the way upwards. This would be good on the daily frame as well, because if we had here a buying pressure, we could be dreaming of closing above the 20.9k, which now could be the case, could be not. We will see about the support levels of Bitcoin. Right now, it is going in a correction mode. It is past below the 20-day MA, the 50-day MA, the lower time frames. And right now, we are into a correction mode. Let's see if the 20k is enough that we go even higher. Keep in your mind the targets, write them down. They are very interesting into seeing actually not the biggest picture, but the smallest picture in the lower time frames. The big picture right here is that you should be reaccumulating Bitcoin at 17.7k. Of course, this was a great support level that we mentioned every single time right here. Okay, we are going for another bearish week. Let's see if it is the case. Right now, we are counting so many bearish weeks on BTC USDT chart. Only one green week that was with a huge sell pressure, and then we fell down more. Very quick correction going on. What is next for BTC? We will see about it. On the time being, we are paying attention to the support levels mostly rather than the resistance levels. Okay, pay attention to the support levels mostly. And of course, thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. And of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.